Hello everybody, this is second lecture of composition of simple harmonic motion, and today we are going to study very simple problems related to simple harmonic motion. So problem first, show that a particle whose potential energy is half kx square where k is a constant executes simple harmonic motion. So we have potential energy that is given by half kx square. Now we know that force acting on the particle, it is given by F, it is equals to minus dv by dx. So we will substitute the value of V over here, minus d by dx, value of V, it is half kx square, minus half and k, they are constant, they are taken out of the differentiation sign, and differentiation of x square, it is 2x. So this 2 will get cancelled and we will get minus kx. Now we are getting F equals to minus kx. Now F equals to minus kx means that force acting on the particle is proportional to displacement x, and because of the negative sign it acts in the opposite direction to it. That is nothing but the definition of simple harmonic motion. So this implies that the particle executes simple harmonic motion. Second problem is the equation of motion of a particle is given by x equals to 5 cos 3.14 t plus pi by 6 in centimeter. Find the period of oscillation, epoch, and the maximum acceleration of the particle. Now we will compare this equation with the standard equation, that is x equals to a cos omega t plus pi by plus phi. So we will directly get that phi, it is the equal to pi by 6, omega it is equals to 3.14, and a equals to 5. So omega it is equals to 3.14 radians per second. We can calculate t from it. We know that omega equals to 2 pi by t. So that means t it is equals to 2 pi by omega. 2 into 3.14 upon omega, that is 3.14. 3.14, 3.14 will get cancelled. So we will get 2 seconds. So time period we are getting 2 seconds. Now epoch is the initial phase. It is equals to pi by 6. That is straightforward from the equation itself. The next thing which we have to calculate is maximum acceleration. Acceleration is given by minus omega square x. We know that maximum acceleration, it is at when x is equals to amplitude. So we will replace x by a, that is the amplitude. So we will get maximum acceleration equals to omega square a. Substitute the value of omega square and a, we will get acceleration comes around 49.3. Now let us take the problem 3. A vertical spring of negligible mass gets extended by 5 cm when a mass of 40 gram is attached to its lower end. It is then set into simple harmonic motion by pulling it down by 2 cm and releasing it. Calculate its force constant, period of oscillations, and amplitude. Now, when the spring is extended by mass 40 gram, the state is its equilibrium state. Force acting on the spring causing extension of 5 cm is mg. Now we know that the definition of force constant, it is force per unit extension. How much force is acting? There is a mass of 40 grams. So naturally force acting on it will be mass into acceleration. That is mass into acceleration to do gravity. So K is mg into mg upon the length, that is 5. So we will substitute the value of m, that is 40, into g, that is 980 upon 5. So we will get K equals to around 7840 dynes per centimeter. Now next thing which we have to calculate is period of oscillations. So period of oscillation t, it is equals to 2 pi by omega. Omega is root k by m. So if we substitute these values, we will get t equals to 2 pi under root m by k. So t 2 pi under root of m upon k. K is 7840. So by mistake over here it is 980. M is 40 upon 7840, that comes around 5 into 980. It is not wrong, it is correct. And so T is 2 into 3.14 upon 14, that gives you around 45 seconds, 0.45 seconds. So time period is 0.45 seconds. Now amplitude of oscillation. So we know that amplitude, definition of amplitude is maximum displacement from the equilibrium position. The spring is pulled by 2 cm. That means maximum displacement from the equilibrium position, that is 2 cm. That is how directly we can get that A, it is equals to 2 cm. Next problem. A light spring hangs vertically with a mass of 1 kg fixed to its free end. The spring constant is 25 Newton per meter. The mass is pulled down by a distance a and released. It executes SHM. If the velocity of the mass in the equilibrium position is 1 meter per second, find A. That means we have to find out the amplitude. So K is given, that is 25 Newton per meter. M is given, that is 1 kg. From this we can calculate omega. Omega is given by the formula under root of k by m. Substitute the value of k and m, you will get around 5 radian per second. Now equation of simple harmonic motion is x equals to a sine omega t plus y. If you want to find out velocity, velocity is nothing but the dx by dt, that is x dot. So it is a derivative of sine omega t plus phi is cos omega t plus phi into omega. So I've written it way a omega cos omega t plus phi. So maximum value of the velocity of the particle executing SHM is maximum at its equilibrium position. That is how we can directly use this formula. V equals to omega A. V, it is 1 meter per second, it is given. Omega we have calculated. So we can calculate A, that is V by omega 1 by 5. It is equals to 0.2 meters. So you will get A, that is the maximum displacement, that is the amplitude, comes around 0.2 meters.